This is CAT S53, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that comes pre-installed with your system, so you will not need to additionally download or neither download nor install any third-party apps, so that's the matter of convenience. Then inside the app, tap on this plus icon over here, choose the scan option from the list, provide the Drive app with the camera access, and now after that you gotta, take a photo of whatever document you wanted to make the scan out of. So here is mine. I will quickly capture the photo. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, obviously retake the photo. In here you can rotate your scan as you please, change its color scheme, and then crop the original photo to your liking in order to make sure that the entire important part of the photo will be included into the PDF file we are about to create. So I will make sure that the text is framed and all the excess edges are trimmed off. Then done. Onwards, tap at the save button. In here you can rename the document if you want to, or perhaps change the Google account and folder drive that this file will be saved to. Then hit the save button one last time, wait for the document to be uploaded to your drive, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.